What's going on, YouTube? It's Matt, and welcome to Mentorship Monday. Thank you for watching. If you guys have real estate questions, you know what to do. You want to email them, like all these folks did, to helpme@DeRosaGroup.com. That is helpme@DeRosaGroup.com. Send that over. We will read your real estate questions right here on the YouTube channel, and we will answer them so you and everyone else can benefit from that. So that's awesome. If you guys want to help us at the DeRosa Group, then you can do us a favor and share this video with your network. Put it on Facebook, send it to other people that you know love real estate, because we love real estate. You love real estate, so do they. Bring them into the fold. Have them participating in Mentorship Monday and sending us questions and being a part of the community we're building here. So thank you again for watching. Here's what we got today. I got a question from Paul. And Paul didn't say where he's from. That's okay, Paul. Paul he's of the mentality, and I think a lot of people are, of waiting for this bubble to burst, right? And Paul is saying, if the bubble does burst, what happens to rents? What happens to the rental real estate businesses if the bubble does burst, right? So, interesting question, Paul. First of all, don't just sit on your what did you put? Your getting your ducks in a row. And a lot of people are sitting on their hands waiting for a crash. I submit to you and to everyone else, number one, is that there's always the right market to invest in. So just play the market for where it's at right now. I personally don't believe I've talked to economists. I've researched it ad nauseum. I don't think that we're looking at a bubble bursting anytime soon. A lot of people think that and think that it's due, whatever that means, that we're due for a burst. But what I think is that we're going to maybe have a correction, maybe a couple of percent. But what Paul wants to talk about is what happens to rents in a market downturn, right? Well, what happened in 2007, 8, when that bubble really did burst, rents actually stayed the same, and jobs fell off and everything like that. There was a financial crisis, but rents as rentals for performing assets already, for buildings that were already in stable condition, rents actually stayed the same. We didn't see a hiccup in our rental income because we were around in 2006, 7, 8, 9, and home sales hit the floor, but rents actually slowly increased. Because here's why. A lot of people lost their homes, or unfortunately, God forbid, foreclosures and things like that. They were new tenants coming onto the rental market. So they actually, kept feeding rentals and this and that. What would cause a major, it'd have to be a major drop in the stock market or in the jobs market to cause a hiccup in the rental market. But I think that you're not talking of a major decrease. You're maybe talking 5%, something like that. It's not going to, I think the rental market's going to be fairly stable. What's causing pressure on the rental market right now is the sell prices of rentals versus the rents themselves. So I think, if anything, if the market does, do whatever it's going to do, we're going to see more inflation, which is going to drive up rents, because just the dollar is not going to go very much further. But don't take my word for it. What do I know? I'm definitely not an economist. So short answer to your question, Paul, is rents, I don't think are going to go down. The price of rental properties may go down if there's a burst. So that's a good thing. But you don't need to budget for a potential crash on for your rental, what your rental rates are going to be. Hope that helps, Paul. And don't be so doom and gloom, all you people out there, about like, oh, it's going to crash, the sky's falling. Just, if you look, the indicators aren't there to show that we're going to see a crash, aside from the fact that it crashed 10 years ago, in that there's becoming more and more frenzy. But I would submit to you that the frenzy we're seeing right now is not because it's overheated. It's pent up demand that's been waiting to get back into the game over the last 5 years as things heal and correct and everything like that. So I think the market's just catching up with itself. So it's my 2 cents. Just that's my thoughts. Anyway, that's it. If you, again, real estate questions, help me at DeRosaGroup.com. Help me at DeRosaGroup.com. Share this video. Subscribe to our newsletter. Help us out here, people. Thank you for watching, guys. As always, I appreciate you, and have a great and profitable week.